Hello my lovelies, I'm back with another tutorial, a colourful look again for you guys, so stay tuned. So I'm using the shade Libito and this is from the Mood Beauty Bo-Kaap palette, and I'm just blending this with a Morphe M562 brush all over my lid and in my crease. So I'm now taking the shade Caranda and I'm using my Zoeva 224 brush and I'm blending this above the first blend and into it also. I'm now using the shade Jailbreak and I'm taking another Zoeva 224 brush and I'm blending this on top and into that second blend. So I'm now using the shade Beam, with another Zoeva 224 brush. I have a lot of these brushes and I'm taking this shade all the way up to my brow bone. Now I'm just going in with my previous blends to bring back colour as I always do. So now I'm going in with some liner. As you can see, it's a Maybelline gel liner, black gel liner should I say, and I'm taking my Morphe M165 brush and I'm just creating a wing liner. So I'm taking the Plouise base in the shade 2 and I'm creating another liner on top. Now I actually think I should have done this first and then done the black liner underneath, but it turned out fine. So this is going to be used as a base because we're going to be putting some colourful shades on this liner. So we're going to be creating a 3-shade ombre liner effect, and you're going to see the colours I'm going to be using to do this. And I'm using a Makeup Addiction Cosmetics angled brush to do this, and I'm using the same brush for all shades. I'm just wiping it clean after. So I'm back to using the Plouise base again, shade 2, and I'm putting this on my waterline because the same effect that we have with the liner on top, we're going to be doing in the waterline also with the same colors and the same brush. I'm using the base shade 5 now and I'm just applying this underneath because we're going to be doing the same blends underneath as on top. So I'm going to be using a MAC 239 brush for the first blend, and then the second shade is a no-name brush, so I don't have the name, so I can't tell you guys, sorry. And then the third brush is a Makeup Addiction Cosmetics smudge brush, and then for the last shade I'm going to be using the same brush I used on top, which is a Zoeva 224 brush. Just gonna add some inner corner eye highlight to get that pop in, and then I'm done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe. Kisses, bye. Mwah. Don't make me. By the time we done, you gon' rate me. And it's for the sun, so don't make